Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Leafy Holo gradient stamping. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm starting with Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. Since I'm going to be using a chrome as my base color, I'm also going to add a layer of quick dry base coat. For the stamping today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Lost in the Woods as well as Sunken Secrets, but first, as my base color, I'm going to be using Aquafoil. For my stamping today, I'm going to be using the Moira stamping plate number 72 master plan, and I'm going to be using these two reversed images that are kind of swirly and leafy. So I'm going to be doing the swirly part in blue and the leafy top with green. Go ahead and scrape, pick it up, and then I'm going to line it up on my nail and stamp. Then I'm going to clean off the plate and move on to my other nails. I skipped using any protection, but I am going to go in with my small brush dipped in acetone just to get any bits of stamper that were off of the nail or any messy bits from the base color. Once I'm done with that little bit of cleanup, I'm going to go ahead and finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. After my last one, I really wanted to do some more stamping, but I decided to switch up the finishes a little bit, and this chrome and holo combo looks really cool at different angles and in different lighting. I actually did several tests and couldn't decide, so chat helped me out, and if you'd like to see that as well as the rest of the extended tutorial, you can check it out over on my VOD channel, or if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. Doing a little bit of flashlight time here to slightly show off the holo. The camera's struggling a little bit, but I think you guys can get the idea of how subtle and pretty that is under direct lighting. If you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel for some cool perks like emoji. And I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.